how to turn off or on community invites notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn it off or on easy and quick. First open VK and then click hub and go to these three lines here and go to settings. After that go to notifications. Now scroll down until you find the community invites. Here is it, and that's it. Now you can turn it off or on by this one here, push notifications, and that's it. It's easy. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.